Hello everyone, this is Rachna Sharma and you are watching Food Tech Geeks where I upload videos of food science and technology. BHU has released its admit card and schedule for its entrance exam. So the date for MSc Food Tech postgraduate entrance test is scheduled on 26 August 2020. In this video, I will solve and explain the MSc Food Technology postgraduate entrance test 2019 question paper. So let's get started. For food applications, the most commonly used microwave frequencies are 2450 MHz and 915 MHz. Question 2. Baking temperature of bread is 4 to 5 degree Fahrenheit or 218 degree Celsius for 30 minutes. Next, which of the following containers can be reused? Answer: glass containers. Next, water activity may be defined as answer 4. ERH by 100, which is equivalent relative humidity by 100. Question number 5. Packaging is the example of answer 1. Asepsis. Next, at present, which of the following oilseeds is number 1 in production in India? Answer: soybean, according to data 2018 to 2019. Next question. The acetic acid fermentation of vinegar is brought out by answer: Acetobacter aceti. The germ content in wheat grain is about 2 to 3%. Question next. Which of the following anti-nutritional factor is present maximum in soybean? Answer: trypsin inhibitor. Avidin is present in egg. Food scientist needs not to be an expert in packaging but has to assist packaging decisions and problems by answer 3. Defining the kind of protection required to food. Next question. Maximum post-harvest losses occurs in answer 3. Tomato. Next question. Leafy vegetables preferably require answer 4. Steam blanching because it prevents the loss of water-soluble vitamins. Next question. Which of the following is least sensitive to air and heat? Answer 4. Niacin. Next question. The book entitled Fundamentals of Food Process Engineering has been written by answer 3. R.T. Toledo. Next question. Which of the following is most resistant to ionizing radiations? The answer is option 1. Enzymes. Next question. Blood clotting is the function of answer 2. Calcium. Next question. Which of the following is used as preservation in breads? Option 1, which is potassium sorbate. Next question. Which of the following is most sweet? Answer is sodium cyclamate because it is an artificial sweetener. Next question. Diacetyl is used as flavoring compounds in answer is butter. Next question. How many are the primary taste? Answer is given here 4, but now umami is also been included in the primary taste, so it can be 5. Legumes are deficient in answer is 1. Methionine. Good frozen temperature for the storage is answer 2. minus 18 degrees Celsius or below. Next question. Durum wheats are most suitable for answer is 3. For making the pasta products. Next question. Digestion mixture used in protein estimation of milk protein is composed of option 2. Potassium sulfate, copper sulfate and selenium oxide. They are used in the process of Jaldal method. Which of the following requires higher water activity? Answer is bacteria followed by yeast, and the molds require least water activity. Next question. 2 kg apple was prepared for dehydration. During preparation, peeling losses were 10% and coring losses were 10% of peeled apple. The weight of prepared apple would be answer 4. 1.62 kg. And this can be easily done by mass balance equation, in which input is equals to waste plus product. So solving this equation will give the product to be 1.62 kg. Next, the pigment responsible for bright red color of meat is myoglobin, the natural pigment present in muscles. Next, Journal of Food Science is published in answer number 2, USA. Next question. MC type plates are used for answer 2. Non-corrosive foods. These plates are used in canning process. Next question. Flavor is a combination of, the answer is being given wrong here. The answer is taste and smell. Next question, maximum post-harvest losses occurs in grapes. Chivon is the used for meat of goat. Chivon is the another name for the goat meat. Next question, the amount of alcohol production from one molecule of glucose is answer 4, 92 gram. Next question, soft wheats are best suited to the manufacturing of biscuits because they contain less amount of gluten. Next question, what would be the weight of sugar to be added to 1 lb of apple pulp for making jam if Jellometer test reading is 1? The answer is 2. 1 lb 4 ounce. Next question, which of the following senses is not used to make sensory evaluation? Answer 4, flavor. It is not used as a parameter for the sensory evaluation. Next, the ability of protein to act as acid or base is known as amphoterism. It contains both positive and negative ions. Next question, canning of meat is generally done in answer 1, lacquered cans. Next question, which of the following is the example of air convection dryers? Answer is tray dryer. In this, air is used as a heating medium. Next, which of the following oils is rich source of omega-3 fatty acids? Answer is 1, soybean oil. Next question, which of the following is not a water-related factor for determining location of plant? Answer 3, depth of water. Next question, sauerkraut is prepared from? Answer is 2, cabbage. Sauerkraut is the fermented cabbage. Next question, wheat flour obtained by 80% extraction is known as answer 4, national flour. Next question, 1 degree Celsius is equal to answer 1, 33.8 degree Fahrenheit. It can be easily done by using this formula. And these type of questions are very important as all the Celsius temperature are being asked in the Fahrenheit form. So remember this formula very well. Next question, which of the following is absent in milk? Answer 1, iron. Washing of fruits and vegetables reduces microbial load to the extent of 90%. The standard amount of acetic acid in vinegar is answer 2, 4%. Triangle test used in sensory evaluation is difference test. In this, 3 samples are given to the sensory panelists which are unknown to them, and they have to find out that which of the sample is different from the 2 of the samples. So this is the basic principle of the triangle test. Next, the specific volume of bread having loaf volume of 520 cc and loaf weight of 130 gram would be answer 2, 4.0, and this can be simply done by this given formula. Specific volume is equals to volume by mass. So using this formula, the answer can be found out. The optimum temperature for yeast fermentation is 85 degree Fahrenheit. It is nearly 30 degrees Celsius. Scurvy is caused due to the deficiency of answer 3, vitamin C. Next, quality means option 2, fitness for use. The definition says it is a degree of excellence of the food. Next question, HTST pasteurization of milk means continuous heating at 161 degree Fahrenheit for 15 seconds or 71.7 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds. Next, meat is classified as answer 4, non-acidic food. Meat is a non-acidic food. FPO stands for option 4, fruit products order. Next, which of the following contains more oil percent? And the answer is wheat germ. The oil in wheat is present in its germ portion. Next question, GRAS stands for generally recognized as safe, and this is related to the food additives. Most of the vegetables are processed at 250 degree Fahrenheit because they are non-acidic food, and 250 degree Fahrenheit means 121 degree Celsius. CIP stands for clean in place system. In this, the instruments or the machineries are not dismantled during the cleaning process. Next, CFTRI is located at option 3, Mysore. Blanching may be an optional step in canning. It is a very important pre-treatment used in the canning process. Next, Which of the following is responsible for bright green color of vegetable leaves? Answer, oil soluble chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a fat soluble pigment which is present in green vegetables. Bread wheats are classified as option 1, Triticum aestivium. Which of the following organisms initiates the sauerkraut fermentation? Means the fermentation of cabbage. Answer 1, Leuconostoc mesenteroid. Next question. The di2,6-dichlorophenol indophenol in acidic condition gives pink to reddish color. It is used in the vitamin C estimation by spectrophotometry. Next question. The disease beriberi is caused by the deficiency of, answer is given here, vitamin B6. However, the answer is vitamin B1. Vitamin B1 deficiency caused beriberi. Next question. Intermediate moisture food contains moisture content of 20 to 50. Example is honey. Next question. Which of the following relates to cotton? Answer 1, gossypol. It is the anti-nutritional factor present in the cotton. Next, at present, which of the following crop has highest production in India? Answer is rice, according to the data of 2018 to 2019. Next question, the Newtonian fluids are defined by an equation. Option 1, R is equals to mu dV by dr, related to the fluids topic. Next, milk production in India during 2014 to 2015 was, answer 1, 115 million tons. Next, gluten is, option 3, developed when wheat flour and water are mixed together in a mixer. Gliadin and glutenin mix together to form gluten. Next question, rickets is caused by the deficiency of, option 3, calcium. Next question, marmalade is generally prepared from citrus fruits and in the peel is also added of the citrus fruits. Next question, which of the following contains highest protein? Answer is soya bean. Next question, which of the following contains more water? So answer is radish. They contain highest amount of water among these vegetables. Next, India is the largest producer of, answer 4, milk. Next question, which of the following is least sweet? The answer is lactose. It is the least sweet sugar. Next question, which of the following is non-climateric fruit? Answer, lychee and orange. They are not supposed to mature or ripen after the harvesting process. Next, conversion factor used to convert milk nitrogen to protein is, answer is 6.38. It is used in the process of Jaldal method. Next question, a sample of wheat flour contains 10% protein on 14% moisture basis. On 10% moisture basis, its protein content will be, answer is 10.46%, and it can be directly done by the cross multiplication method. Here you can see how can it be done. Optimum extraction rate for wheat flour for bread making is 72%. Next question, household refrigerators are generally operated at, option 4, 4.5 to 7.0 degrees Celsius temperature. Next question, question number 84. Macrocytic anemia is caused by the deficiency of, answer is folic acid. It is vitamin B9. Vitamin B9 is known as folic acid. Next question, dark brown color of processed meat is due to metmyoglobin. It is the compound formed by the myoglobin when it comes in the contact of carbon dioxide. Next question, what would be the volume of 400 gram brine containing 20 gram salt and having specific gravity of 1.034? So answer is 386.5 milliliter, and it can be done easily by using this formula. Next question, moist foods must be packed in package that does not allow loss of moisture, otherwise the food will get dry up. Next question, question number 88, heat treatment to oil seeds prior to oil extraction. Answer 3, increase oil fluidity and hence increase the yield of the oil from the oil seeds. Rigor mortis is a biochemical change which occurs in the dead animal, in the muscles of the dead animal. Next question, the amount of KMS to be added to 100 kg potato chips at the rate of 20 ppm would be, answer is 2000 microgram. The simple calculation is being shown up here. Next question, the intake of sodium is restricted in the patients of, answer 4, heart. Means the patients having the heart diseases are suggested to lower down their sodium intake. Next, which of the following is used to estimate the efficiency of pasteurization? Answer, phosphatase test. The absence of phosphatase indicates the efficiency of pasteurization process. Next question, cereals are deficient in, answer to, lysine. Next question, question number 94. 5.95 is used as conversion factor to convert nitrogen to protein in, answer 4, rice. These factors are used in the Geldahl method, and in that nitrogen is converted into the protein by using a particular formula, and in that this factor is used. Next question, which indicator is used in back titration method for protein estimation? Answer is methyl orange. Question number 96. Asepsis is defined as, option 2, keeping away of microorganisms. Next question, the TDT for an organism at 232 degree Fahrenheit is 100 minutes. What would be its lethal rate? Here the answer is given 0.010, but the answer is wrong. I have given the calculation part. You can refer to this calculation part. So according to that, the answer is option number 3, 0.001. Conditioning of wheat prior to milling. Answer 3, facilitates separation of bran and endosperm, and hence it will increase the yield of the flour. Next question, what would be the amount of salt to be added to 850 kg fat in saturated butter churner if butter to contain 2% fat? It can be easily done by using this formula and using a constant value of 1.25, which is used for 80% fat. So the answer is 21.25 kg. Next, rheology is defined as the science of, option 3, flow and formation. Next, annual losses of fruits and vegetables in India are approximately, option 2, 10% to 15%. Next question, which of the following is used to indicate the extent of wheat milling? Answer, ash content. The more you mill the grains, the lesser will the ash content, or the vice versa. So it is used as the indicator for the extent of wheat milling. Next question, what would be the volume of concentrated hydrochloric acid, 35% pure, required to prepare 50 ml of 0.1 normal solution? The specific gravity of concentrated hydrochloric acid is 1.18. Answer is 4.47 ml, and this can be obtained by using this simple formula. The direct formula is used for these type of numericals. Next, maximum production of food grains in a year in India has been to the tune of, answer, 26.3 crore tons according to the data of 2018 to 2019. Next question, F value in TDT curve is referred to a time in minutes required to kill all the microorganisms at, answer is 250 degree Fahrenheit or 212 degree Celsius. Next question, peas are blanched at, answer is slightly lower temperature than 212 degree Fahrenheit or 100 degree Celsius. So that vegetables are processed below 100 degree Celsius. Next question, good quality cream yields ghee to the extent of, answer is option 2, 50%. The next question, question number 108, the book entitled Technology of Food Preservation has been written by, answer 3, N.W. Desrosiers. It is a good book for the engineering. The penetrating power of gamma rays as compared to beta particles is, option number 2, greater. Next question, question number 110, which of the following is used to measure flavor? So answer is all of the above, panel of tasters, expert tasters, and flavor profile. Next question, Z value in TDT curve is expressed in terms of degree Fahrenheit as it is a temperature. Next question, carotenoid pigments are of which color? Answer is yellow, orange and red. They can give these different colors. Germination of legumes increase the availability of nutrients and it will decrease the amount of anti-nutritional factor. Crude fiber in food helps to overcome constipation. Fiber helps in improving the digestive health. Next question, thermal death point may be defined as option 2, temperature required to kill all the organisms within 10 minutes. This is the basic definition of thermal death point. Next question, question number 116. Niftam is located in the state of option 2, Haryana. Next question, question 117. FSSAI replaced PFA, that is Prevention of Food Adulteration Act 1954 in the year of option 2, 2006. Next question, question number 118. Packaging must protect the food against all of the above: chemical attack, physical damage and biological contamination. Question number 119. Calcium is maximum in answer 4, sesame cake. Means the sesame cake is the seeds after the removal of oil. Next question. Which of the following contains maximum goitrogenic substances? Answer is cabbage. It contains maximum goitrogenic substances.